Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Edipo Kleber, an architect, and in this video I want to give you lots of tips so you can decorate your bedroom without spending much or spending only what's necessary to have a luxury bedroom. And I'm going to use examples from my own projects, from my work, to suggest some products you can buy to use in decorating your bedroom. I'll even leave here in the description of this video and also in the first pinned comment the links where you can buy these products that I'm going to show you right now in this video at a very good affordable price so you can decorate your bedroom. It works for both single and double bedrooms. Let's go! Well guys, to start, I want to talk about something I always like to use in my projects. And if you follow me for a long time, you know this, the walls, okay? I really like to use linen wallpaper, and I'm going to explain to you why I like to use it. First, it's a finish that brings a lot of sophistication to the wall. You have no idea how different a plain painted wall is compared to a wall with linen wallpaper. The feeling of sophistication, modernity and luxury that linen wallpaper brings to a bedroom wall is incredible when it's installed. And then the color of this wallpaper is up to you. It depends on the decor you have in your bedroom. What I want you to understand is that the item, the product you need to have in your bedroom is linen wallpaper, regardless of the color. Whether it's gray, beige, sand, grayish, yellowish, blue, green, regardless of the color, okay? Use linen wallpaper, okay? There are several models you can buy. From the ones that are applied traditionally with glue, where you hire a professional to do the job, to the one I'm going to recommend here in this video, which is self-adhesive. You peel it off, like double-sided tape, peel it and stick it to your wall. And then it gives you that nice linen feel, which I really like recommending to my clients, right? Imagine you're running your hand over a shirt, you know, with that nice fabric that feels good to run your hand over. That's the feeling you'll get on a wall with linen wallpaper. And then you can use it, in my opinion, as an architect and decorator on the headboard wall, okay? On that wall that's more visible in the bedroom. We know that in a bedroom there's always the wardrobe wall, which is a wall that will be completely hidden. We won't be able to see that wall. That wall where the window always is, and on the window usually we put the curtain, which is the next item I'm going to talk to you about here. So usually that wall that stands out the most in your bedroom is where you're going to apply this linen wallpaper. So my first tip for you here in this video is for you to transform your primary bedroom or single bedroom. And as I told you, the second item is exactly the curtain that you're going to use for your bedroom, whether it's a single bedroom or a couple's bedroom. Just reminding you that when we talk about curtains, understand that the curtain should start from the ceiling and end about a finger or a centimeter from the floor. There are architects who like to let it touch the floor. I personally prefer to leave it at least a centimeter above the floor without touching it. It's a matter of cleanliness. But these are decisions you have to make with your architect or your decorator. But since here I'm your architect, I'm giving you my recommendation. Look, leave at least a finger's width above the floor. Always, okay guys, always the curtain has to go from the ceiling to the floor. Never stop the curtain halfway. Unless, of course, there are exceptions in decoration. Unless you have a headboard like the one I'm showing you here, made as custom millwork, where it sticks out from the wall about 10 or 15 centimeters, it has LED lighting. Then yes, you can't move the curtain forward, because otherwise it's going to end up with that wave-like band. Or you'll have to bring it more toward the center of the room when fixing it to the ceiling, and it will end up too far from the wall. Aside from those exceptions, okay, other than that, always have the curtain go from ceiling to floor. And along the same lines, if we put striped wallpaper on the headboard wall, for example, The curtain also has to follow the same pattern. It has to be fabric. It can't be that plastic one we usually see in some situations. That plastic curtain is really cheap, but it's not aesthetically pleasing, it's not aesthetically nice. So I'll also recommend a really good curtain model for you. I'll leave it here in the description of this video and in the first pinned comment. It's a fabric curtain model with a really good price that you can use, okay? There are situations where you have it custom made, all right? Here's the link for our standard sizes, which we always use. If you can afford it, custom-made options are a bit more expensive. But if you can have it custom-made, that's great. It looks even better. But if not, the link is down here, so take this second tip here. Because it's really cool for you if you want to decorate your single or double bedroom. Third item, guys, check this out. The headboard of the bed. It can be made from various materials, including this one I'm showing you here, which is a modular headboard. Think about it. You have your bed base there in your room, whether it's single or double, it doesn't matter here, okay? You buy the headboard for the bed. Most headboards are pre-made. You just place it, push the bed base and mattress against it, and you are done. But there are also modular headboards, which I think are awesome, man. I think they're really beautiful. This type of headboard is for you to install on your bed, on your single bed or your double bed. And the price is like insanely cheap. This type of headboard, this type of decoration, it's padded, which is really cool for your daily life. Can it be made by a carpenter? Yes, it can. There's no problem at all. But this model is really nice. Why? Because you can customize it. You can choose the colors, okay? You can choose the height, the size, okay? You can, for example, have it extend, I don't know, 50 centimeters on each side of your bed, especially for a double bed to also cover the nightstand, right? That goes on the side of your bed. Anyway, you can play around with the shape of your headboard. A taller one, a shorter one, all lined up evenly. Anyway, you will choose the model. It can be square, it can be half rectangular, half oval. Anyway, there are several types of headboards, but I think this modular one is really great. I think it's really cool. And if you want to spend a little more, you can even get 2 small wooden slats, made of MDF. Glue them to the wall or fix them with screws. And glue these headboards so that they are a little bit away from the wall. Then you go and put LED lights on top. Look how cool that is! LED strips are also cheap, right? A little piece of wooden slat there, you'll also get it for a low price. And the headboard is also very affordable. Alright guys, so it's a really beautiful decoration. You can decorate your bed, your bed's headboard, your double bedroom, your single bedroom, combining these 3 decorations I'm telling you about here. Linen wallpaper, which was the first, the curtain, the second, and now the bed's headboard. I'm leaving all of them here for you, okay? I'll always remind you so you don't forget down here in the description. And while we are on this third tip I'm telling you about, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, okay? Share this video with your friends. Help me out, give me that support. Give me that encouragement to keep sharing decorating tips so you can get help choosing the right decor. Cool ones with good prices to decorate your home. In this video today, I'm talking about the bedroom, right? About decorating a single person's bedroom or a couple's bedroom. So share this video if you've made it this far, okay? Send it to your family, send it to your friends. Look, check out what this architect is saying here. Decoration tips with good prices. Like this video, okay? Hit like, it doesn't cost you anything. And subscribe to the channel and leave your comment too. I want to hear your opinion. I want to read your comment here. I want to know what you think about these tips of mine. That's really important too, okay? Fourth tip, guys, when we're talking about bedroom flooring, I always have an approach that combines aesthetics and comfort. That's what I recommend to my clients in my projects, which is vinyl flooring. Check it out. Here we are already talking about a decision you make when you renovate in your house, or when it's time to choose the flooring and everything else. The previous 3 items I mentioned to you here, you can do right now in your house, regardless of whether you're living there or if you're building. Now, the flooring is something you define right at the beginning of your renovation or construction. And I'm in favor of you using glue down vinyl flooring because there is also click lock vinyl flooring. Okay, the installation system is very similar to laminate flooring. Laminate flooring is wood flooring. But let's talk about glued vinyl flooring. It's really cool. Man, you have no idea. You have no idea what it's like to get up in the morning from your bed and step on vinyl flooring compared to cold flooring, like porcelain tile, for example. Okay? That's why I always recommend it to my clients. In my projects, glued vinyl flooring in the bedrooms and in the private hallway leading to them. Exactly because of this thermal comfort underfoot. Early in the morning, when we get up, some people like to put a little rug there, you know, around the bed and so on, to step on. Some people don't like it, right? And when you step on the floor, the vinyl flooring is much warmer than porcelain tile or cold flooring. So for example, if you're used to getting up barefoot, everyone does, right? Nobody goes to bed wearing slippers or shoes. Many people sleep with socks on, but I prefer to walk barefoot. Inside my house, inside my apartment, and in my living room and bedrooms, I have vinyl flooring. So here's a tip about choosing flooring that I'm telling you right now. Something you can do. When it's time to choose, to decide on your flooring, at least for the private hallway leading to the bedrooms, whether you have 2 or 3 bedrooms in your house or just one suite, it doesn't matter, there's always a little hallway that gives access to the rooms. From there on, go with vinyl flooring. You won't regret it. And of course, I can't forget to mention the lighting in this space as well. This private space, the bedroom. We're going to talk now about warm white lighting. Look guys, I get a lot of questions about this. People ask me, Edipo, about the lighting. Warm white, cool white, neutral white. Which one should we use in the bedroom? I always have a guideline that I follow, which is this. Check it out. Service areas, let's put it this way, kitchen. Service area, laundry rooms, offices, bathrooms. I always like to use neutral white. Alright? Neutral white. When you start looking into the type of lighting, not the bulb itself, but the tone, let's put it that way, of the lighting, it will always be right there in the middle, which is neutral white, 4000, 4000K. You see that the little bulb, when you buy it on the packaging, it will say 3500, 4000, 6000, 5000K, right? The K. It's for Kelvin. If it's 6000, that's the temperature of the bulb, the color of the bulb. So the lower this number, 3000, 2700, more yellow or yellower. That's this bulb. So for bedrooms, at most 3500 Kelvin. Okay? At most 3500. 3500K. Why? It's a lighting temperature, as we call it in decoration, warm white. You know guys, an intimate environment needs to feel cozy. An intimate environment needs a feeling of rest, peace and harmony. And nothing is better than using warm white lighting to achieve that, to create that feeling. The difference between cool white and warm white in the bedroom is huge. Alright? So go with warm white, I'm sure you'll have a pleasant feeling in those spaces, especially bedrooms. Leave neutral white for places like bathrooms, kitchens, laundry areas, offices and so on. But in the bedroom, don't forget, go with warm white. I'm sure you won't regret it and you'll have a really good feeling. And of course, I can't forget to mention the nightstand, right? That bedside table. Yeah, we really like having it. There are many situations where you can have it built as part of the custom millwork. Essa mesinha de cabeceira. That you bought, the modular headboard I showed you here among the first items. And the bedside table was missing there. Okay? I'll give you some options for bedside tables here. Obviously it has to be functional. Bedside table, it just has to be functional. It only serves a functional purpose, but it also has to match your decor. There is no point in having a beautiful gray-toned decor in your bedroom and then putting a red bedside table there. It won't match. There's no point in having a beautiful beige or greyish toned decor in your bedroom and then putting a green bedside table there. It won't match. So you have to choose the color. This bedside table needs to be compatible with your bedroom's decor. Since we're talking here in this video about decorations for bedrooms with good prices that also match and go well together. There's no point in being cheap if it's tacky or ridiculous. Right? Oh, it's only $100 for this table here. Oh, it's going to look nice. I'll buy two, one for each side of my bed, and everything's fine. But it's blue, and there is nothing blue in my room. You see? So let's work on it. Let's choose a really nice bedside table, but one that matches the decoration. The color of the decoration you have in your bedroom. And now, here's a great tip. Look, do you have a pet at home? Do you have a cat or a dog at your house? They are part of our family, right? When it comes to decor, many people treat them like their children. They are, right? There's a kind of little table, customized, made of wood, that you can personalize with your pet's face, with your dog's face, with your cat's face. That's the one showing up for you on the screen right now. It has some larger drawers for you to store your underwear, your things, and it has 3 little faces on it. And you can send in a photo of your pet, your cat, or your dog. And we will go and customize it for you. I will leave the contact information. Okay, from Móveis de Estimação, which is the company that makes it. This personalized little table with pet faces on it. Down here in the description, I'll leave their contact, I'll leave their Instagram, and also in the first pinned comment, alright? Man, you have no idea how beautiful it is. If you have a pet at home, if you have a cat, if you have a dog, this little table with faces. For your bed, it's the little table you need to have in your house, in your room, for example. It's personalized. You can have your pet's face on these little drawers that I just showed you, which in my opinion are amazing. It's a great way to immortalize your pet's face on these drawers. Besides being functional with drawers for you to actually store your things, it's also personalized so you can have your pet's face there. So their contact information from Móveis de Estimação, which is the company that makes this little table, is down below in the description and also in the first comment, okay guys? So here are some tips for you. Just to remind you that you can, yes, have a nicely decorated master bedroom or single bedroom looking beautiful at a fair price and even saving a lot on your room's decoration. Sometimes you might think, wow, that wallpaper must be really expensive, or wow, that headboard, my God, I don't think I'll be able to get it. And then, when you saw the links here and checked the prices, you realize, hey, we can do this, we can customize, we can have a nice, beautiful room with these decorations. This is what Edipo Kleber just told me, okay? So these are great tips for you to decorate, to have beautiful decor, spending very little. I hope you enjoyed this content here. These are really cool tips that come from my own experience in projects and on job sites. Yeah, just giving it away like this, for free, on a silver platter, for you, without charging anything. All I ask is that you subscribe to our channel, give us a like here, and share it too. Share this video with your friends because that really helps me out here, alright? Hugs, and see you in the next video.